Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to attach to emails in Yahoo Mail app. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I'm gonna show you how my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy and how to make money online. Now, let's jump into it. First of all, let's open the app. We need to start to write an email. We can do it by tapping to the pen at the right button. By tapping to the icon, the app shows a plain text with our signature. For me, like right now, it's Adios. In the right corner of the screen, it's a blue plus icon. By tapping that icon appear 6 different options. We can attach a photo, or we can attach a file from the device, or we can choose between the recently attached photos and files, or even we can attach from the cloud what is attached to the profile, what are we using right now, or even we can attach a GIF or a normal postcard, for example this one. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye!